guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and welcome to another day of sneak peeks. We are on day 3 and we're sharing another collection that's going to be in your October box. Remember, the release date is on October 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. You'll want to get there bright and early. This collection is called Deck the Owls, and it is just so beautiful, so cute. I just love these owls. You get coordinating ephemera. So let's go through the paper pad and then we'll create some cards. So in this paper pad, you get 4 of each design. Look at those cute owls. They are just so precious. We've got candy canes and lollipops, some peppermints, and a poinsettia cluster. Just so cute with this striped background. It's like a tan and white stripes with like little stars everywhere. Gorgeous. We have an ombre gold glitter sheet of paper with these little twinkling stars on there. Look how cute this one is with the cute owls. We've got little sayings Merry Christmas in between the images. We have a red and white striped with the gorgeous owls and a Christmas tree and presents. We have this blue and white starred background. We have a blue ombre stripe with those gorgeous images of the poinsettias. And then we have the cute owls and Christmas trees on this one with the red background and gold stripe or stars. We have a green, very beautiful, like an emerald green and a deep red. Very pretty. And then we have this one with, it's kind of like a pink watercolor looking background. And then this beautiful one with the red and the gold little flicks all over the background. We've got a white and red star background. And there's the gold. I think we're going to start repeating now. So you do get 4 of each design in here. Gorgeous paper pad and coordinating ephemera. So we've got these cute owls. Look at them standing up on the presents. We've got some sentiments that say Merry Christmas in gold and red. We've got some candies. Cute little house, a little bird house with poinsettia on top. And then a cute little image with the 2 owls and with all the presents under the Christmas tree. We've got some images with just the owls. So cute. I love this one. It's so funny. She's wrapped up in Christmas lights. We've got some more candies and presents. We've got the owl in the tree. Here's another one. This owl has the Santa hat on, different colored eyes. There's some ornaments. Love this little guy with the presents behind him. There's a tree, some candy canes. We've got poinsettia clusters, really beautiful. A large present, another birdhouse, and some ornaments. More candies, another present, different style presents. This very cute guy with the antlers. There's a little heart with a bow and some more candies, ornaments, and candy canes. So really fun collection. I think these cards are going to turn out so cute. I can't wait to see your projects. Please hashtag me with the hashtag #NotTooShabbyShop so I can find your projects online. You can tag me on Instagram. My Instagram account is N2S_2_Shabby_shop. So let's create some cute cards. So I'm trying to come up with a sketch for October's blog challenge. Teresa from Fresh and Renew with Teresa usually does all of our sketches, our mood boards, and she is taking some time off. She has unexpectedly had some health issues and she will be away, I'm guessing, for a few months. If you haven't seen her community post, head over there and send her some love and prayers and let her know that you're thinking about her. I'm sure that will lift her spirits. She will be away for a while, I'm guessing. So I am going to try and do the sketch. So what I'm thinking is to have a little border here. And then we are going to, I cut these out to see what the measurements would be to have 3 going down like so. I think I cut that one a little crooked. And then we're going to have a block here and a block here. So this is going to be the sketch, and I'm going to add my sentiment here. So let's go ahead and cut out some of these papers because I want to use different papers. So I have a variety of these beautiful papers on the card. Okay, so let's get this all adhered on. And I think this would look better if I had a little bit darker of a green for my background. Let me see if I have a darker green in my stash. I do not have a nice green that's going to match. This one's worse. So we'll use this one. Let's put it together and see how this is going to look. I'm going to use my Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. So I'm thinking we use this piece of ephemera to cover up the larger gap here. Put my sentiment here, put this cute little owl with the present right in between those 2 panels. So I'm going to pop those images up. So I'm going to get some foam tape to the back. Okay, so we're going to add our little cluster over here. Our Merry Christmas sentiments right here in the middle of this panel. And our cute little owl. If you're not familiar with our box of the month, they release every month on the 1st. You get an array of goodies for a great deal. If you sign up for the club, you get an extra 5% off your box. Plus your box is shipped every month automatically. You can sign up for the box on October 1st. Shop on October 1st for the best selection. These boxes do tend to sell out very quickly sometimes, so you'll want to get over to the shop at 9 a.m. Central Time. So I think we need a little bit of bling. You are getting this calls for confetti custom mix in your box. So there's these really nice mirrored confetti pieces in here, and these really cute snowflakes I think would be really cute just laid out on the card. So let's go ahead and glue some of those on. And I'm going to put a piece of the mirrored confetti in the center of that snowflake. Okay, I added 3 little pieces of confetti, give it a little shine, and I'm going to add some stickles in the stardust, and I'm just going to dot on some glitter. The artist drew a lot of glitter on the images, so it's easy to know where to add the glitter. Just follow where she added some glitter, and it really brings the ephemera to life. I think it looks really pretty. So cute, right guys? I will have some more examples using the ephemera and the paper pad. Tomorrow we're going to reveal a stamp set, so I'm going to use the paper pad with that tomorrow. We'll make some cards. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you again tomorrow for another peek at 1 p.m. Central Time. Take care, guys.